Friends, we have got to do something about our use of plastic and other things like this, because that bird right there came up and I was chasing it down the beach. People are like, why am I chasing this bird? Because he grabbed this piece of plastic. I'll show you what this is. He's gonna choke it. He thought it's food. See this right here? And that would have got in his, he would have died. Yeah, he's like choking on it. You know, he's gonna choke. He's trying to eat it. He's about ready to eat it, but I'd start chasing him, so he finally let go of it because I was chasing him. People are like, why is this guy chasing me? They thought that took something out of my bag, because they will steal things out of your bag, or this and that. But, you know, it's a bundle of plastic that would kill the poor little guy, right? He's just sitting there. So people are like, I hope it's, I don't know, my lens might be blurry, so I apologize. I had a chance to clean it. But anyway, there he is. You be nice, bud. Well, not him be nice. He's just trying, he doesn't know what's going on. I don't know. So we see, that's the thing is we've done such a bad job at helping take care of God's animals and stuff like this, and I mean, we just included ourselves, included the world, and you know, and these things, they don't know any better. They don't know what they can and cannot eat. You know what I mean? Remember those? You know, it still makes me angry. Those yogurt, those little yogurt things that have the gooseneck thing that come out wider. I can't remember. I don't want to use brand names because I don't want my YouTube to get a strike channel, but they have like that. They come out and they get wider at the bottom. They have known for let's say 25, 30 years that birds put their head next into that yogurt cup and they die. And they actually have warnings on the yogurt thing saying, please dispose of properly to protect nature. I can't remember what it said. Well, why don't you just redesign your plastic garbage instead of making every help to defend? See, you know, I mean, so, oh, but you know, I don't know if it's, there is no excuse for, you know, a price that they're making these creatures pay. That has made me angry for years. I will not buy, we vote with our dog, we also vote for God. Don't do those things. I hope my headset's still good. You know, can you believe that? So anyway, so let's do a better job at helping take care of God's animals and stuff like this, you know. I mean, you know, I'm just disappointed. Nobody cares, you know what I mean? But we care, and that's what counts, right? So don't be disappointed, you know, because this is going to change. This whole world's going to be totally different. It's going to, and that's why we're here, because we're going to change the way we treat each other, the way we treat our animals, the way we treat nature. We come in harmony with balance, right? Balance in our spirit, balance our souls, and everything else. And boy, I'm telling you. But anyway, so I hope you had a blessed day. I actually was going to tell you, I got to ride a wave all the way in. It's so cool. I rode one in, it was 100 yards. Oh, I hope they ain't blurry because I cannot tell. I may have junk on my thing. But anyway, it was cool. I rode it from way out there. I rode all the way up to here, just my boogie board. Man, just like inches. There's two ladies down there at the top. I mean, I rode that thing for like, gosh, 100 yards. I was like way out there and it came all the way in. It caught just the perfect wave, right? It was awesome. So thank you, Father, Lord, and angels for this blessed day. Yes, so I got to keep moving. I'm always in a hurry because next thing I know is I'm going to go down to have a special needs fishing down at Tapiro Beach, the pier there. And I would like to be a part of taking that, be a part of that fun, part of that excitement, and just, you know, be a family of, you know, here, you know, hope they accept me as family. So Father, Lord, and also just hope that that's you know, something we can do today. Okay. Also, I need to remind you that today is Sabbath, and I know it's tough, folks. It is so hard to honor Sabbath. Are you kidding me? But we got to play by those rules, and I have made mistakes. Father, please forgive me. I just, you know, we have, you know, all of us have made mistakes in Sabbath. We're all sinners. So please have mercy and forgiveness of myself and others, and you too as well, Lord. And also angels, I'm sorry. You know, this whole system was designed to 24/7, 24/7 to break every single sin in every way and break those rules and laws. So, you know, and long we got to, you know, we've all sinned, but just try to just keep doing better, be the best we can, be angels here in flesh, be saints. So I'm sorry again, Father, Lord. You know that, you know, we all have made mistakes, and we'll make sure that we continue on that right path to glory for God. Okay. All right. So that's all I have. Anyway, hoping you're having a blessed day. And we got some swing sailors over there. Oh, I think my lens is blurry as crud. And I apologize. I should make sure I clean that before. It's sand on the unit, I think. Anyway, it's so hard because I can't see half the time and what's going on here and things like that. And I didn't know if my mic's probably popping in and out. I probably can't stand it. I got to fix this phone, folks. All right, God bless and love y'all.